Izakhamuzi zase-Tshwane zizibiza ngeTshwane Bahlali Dudula zibuthane ngaphandle kwalenkampani zithi abantu abaningi abasebenza lapha abokufika kuleli. Zithi zake zeza lapha bahlangana nezikhulu zenkampani kwavela ukuthi iningi lesisebenzi lapha ngabokufika kwabe sekuvunyelwa ngokuthi lenkampani izoqasha abantu bakuleli abayi-120 kodwa konke lokhu akwenzakalanga.
We sat down with them, with the head office and everybody. Then they have agreed upon, all right, let's see what is it that is so best that we can do for you guys. But we are not going to take 120 because of they were busy scrutinizing the CVs. Amongst those CVs, there were 45 that are not matriculants, and they will deal only with the matriculants because of that they're using machinery in here. We have agreed again with them. I said, okay, fine. The 45, we'll see to it. How are we going to rather bring the 45? Then they gave us the 45 back. We went out with our 45 CVs. Then they remained with 92 CVs.
Uthi uma befika namhlanje babizelwe ngaphakathi kuyonikeza incwadi enkantolo ebavimbele kuba bangangeni kulenkampani.
How there can you call me in your office and wanted to serve me with your court order? Why don't you come to my office? Because already I've got the letterhead. And to that very letterhead, it reflects the registration number of the Tshwane Bahlali Dudula. It reflects the address. It reflects the emails, addresses, and everything, even the telephone numbers. But then that has never happened. When we come here first in the morning, I came here 5 o'clock in the morning. I even counted 174 foreign nationals entering in this premises, you know, and then those are the permanent staff.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi zizohlala lapha kuze kube kuqashwa lapho inkampani yathembisa ukuthi izobaqasha nabe behambise ama-CV abo. Bakhala nangokuthi abantu abaqashwe lapha abantu bokufika abangenawo ngisho umatikuletsheni.